Edelbrock. Here's your 489 Airboat Pacific combination. Gotta give you a description. It's got the Edelbrock heads on it. Hydraulic roller motor. We have that custom grind for us. Got custom pistons. 4340 crank, H-beam rods. Got the Stefs airboat pan. Quick fuel SS 750. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, obviously we kind of designed this engine to kind of run good downstairs. 2500, it's almost 500 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque looks like 592, 591, pretty flat there. That's kind of what we shoot for. Peak horsepower is 570, rated 550, so it runs really good. Get her off there, get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.